Hi guys. So I've been getting a lot of questions about what I take in the mornings. And today I just want to talk about this clean milk thistle liver support drops. I've been using it for a few weeks now and wanted to give you my honest thoughts. So it's a liquid, not a pill, which honestly I love because I'm terrible at remembering to take capsules. All you do is use the dropper. I do approximately about one full dropper, and you can either take it straight or mix it into water or juice or whatever you're drinking. I actually like mixing it with what I'm drinking. And it literally takes like 5 seconds. And I'm actually glad that the brand sent this so I can share with you guys. Now, what sold me was the ingredient list: milk, thistle, dandelion root, artichoke, turmeric. Now, and plenty of other ingredients in there that I honestly can't pronounce. It's basically a whole liver support lineup in one bottle instead of me buying five different supplements and trying to remember all of them separately. Now, honestly, the biggest thing for me has just been feeling a little more regular and less bloated overall. And my skin's looked a bit clearer too. And definitely chat with your doctor before starting anything new. Hope this helps.